What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MULN stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what news we should know in order to make a proper decision. Is this company worth your attention or not to be in your investment portfolio? And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video several days ago, right after they made this reverse stock split, and I've told you that most likely this asset should break the $1 mark, and it happened. It happened on the Friday's session. As you can see, it hit about 90 cents price point, but then it bounced back and it closed the day at the level of $1.01 mark. Technically, they are staying in line right now with the Nasdaq listing rules, but at this very moment on the pre-market hours, as you can see, it is down for about 3% and it reached the level of 98 cents. So my main assumption is still the same. This asset doesn't worth your attention and you shouldn't invest in this company by any means. And I will show you why I think so. And again, it is very important to know both sides of the coin. So let's start with the news. I have to say that David Mishori in his Twitter account recently published a lot of tweets regarding the beginning of their production. But I have to say that it will not change a lot regarding this company. And we have a lot of bullish videos if you type on YouTube search bar MULN stock, and you will find a lot of videos that are still quite bullish on Mullen, because a lot of people are anticipating the earnings report and the potential dividend for Mullen shareholders. And I have to say that this news will not change anything fundamentally for Mullen. Because I have to say, let's take a look on its price action. So if you want to invest in this company, you have to take a closer look on its price action and to evaluate its performance. And its performance is the worstest. I have to say that it is the worstest. During the last 2 years, it lost more than 99% of its value. And I have to say that if you think that David Mishori will start their production, and this will change everything for this company, it will not happen, because all of their vehicles are not EPA certified vehicles, and they will not be able to sell these vehicles on the US territory. The only vans that they can sell is their campus vans, but it will not change anything for this company at all. And I have to say that ask yourself honestly, why from 2014 Mullen Automotive didn't produce and didn't sell any vehicles, and they operate on the market about 10 years and they don't have anything. Literally, they don't have anything. And let me show you what you should pay your attention to. So first of all, this statement is very important, and it was published on Mullen Automotive, on Reddit thread related to Mullen Automotive, and it says, to all people upset about losses, the real DD and analysis was right here in front of you, posted by multiple Redditors over the course of the last year, and even before that. Instead, you chose to ignore that and follow the rockets. Whose fault is that? At some point, you need to take responsibility, learn from it and start to think yourself rather than follow the hive mind. Otherwise, you will repeat the same mistake again. And I have to say that me personally, I made more than 100 videos regarding Mullen, and each and every video basically has the same narrative. This asset is one of the worstest assets if you want to invest in this company for the long term, but it has a very good price action, and you can benefit out of this price action. And I've caught a lot of its movements, and for now I want to pay your attention on the fundamentals alone. And I think you have to read this article, for example, that was published on Seeking Alpha on August 11th, and it is titled, Mullen Automotive is advancing in reverse into failure. And I have to say that you should know both sides of the coin, because if you think that Mullen Automotive will disrupt the market of electric vehicles, you definitely mistaken. And I have to say that Mullen Automotive bought electric last mile solutions that already had more than 280 vehicles, class 1 electric vans, since the end of 2020, if I remember it correct. And since this point, they couldn't sell any vans at all. And why do you think that Mullen Automotive will sell any of them? It doesn't make sense. So, what is the most important part? Let me show you this screenshot again. This screenshot shows the remuneration of David Mishry in the course of several years, from September of 2018 till present day. And as you can see on your bottom right corner, you will find this grand total. He received more than $150 million. On top of that, guys, right before the stock split, they made these changes and basically they made this amendment to the Mullen Automotive 2022 Equity Incentive Plan. And this plan shows that David Mishry has 52 million shares, 52 million additional shares that wasn't affected by reverse stock split. So he still has this 52 million shares, and we don't know their number of shares outstanding. You can find that for now they have, as you can see, there is no information regarding this. But if you divide the market cap of $72.1 million by the price of roughly $1 mark, you will see the estimation that they potentially have about 72 million shares outstanding, shares float. And David Mishry can easily pull out of the shareholders' pockets about $52 million immediately. He can pull it out on top of this amount of $150 million. And guys, do you want to invest in this company that lost more than 99% of its value just from the beginning of this year, and which CEO is consistently stealing money from his own shareholders? I don't think so. That is why just do your own due diligence and make your decision whether this asset is worth your attention or not. But in general, I have to say that this asset will go even lower, and nothing can stop it, because they don't have any fundamentals behind the scenes. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack.